What's up, real estate enthusiasts? It's Rex. I'm here with Melissa. We are in Anaheim Hills. Mel, what is this place? Where are we at and what's going on with this house?
4-bedroom, 2-bath house, a little over 2,000 square feet. Fabulous pool in the backyard.
Fabulous? It's a fabulous pool
in the backyard,
yes. I've never seen a fabulous pool, so.
Well, let's go check it out.
All right, let's go check it out. We can do this tour in 44 seconds.
All right, let's do it.
Can we do it?
Let's do it.
44 seconds, let's
All
go.
right, let's go. Dining area here, you have family room with the dining area combination. Kitchen here, fully upgraded with granite countertops. And check out the pool. This is a great example here of a fabulous pool. Rex is a sucker for a slide.
Yeah!
Big family room for entertaining. Who wants a beer? Go upstairs and check out what's up here. Who likes a big cozy master? Big walk-in, walk-out closet for her. And he gets the file cabinet. Upgraded bathroom for your sports enthusiast little boy. Cutest little room here for the cutest little girl. And of course, your lovely guest bedroom. Who wants a sword fight?
I'm with Trina and Melissa. We'll see you at your house.